Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create fake sun rays on face using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have fake sun rays created. Select the image and go to brightness and contrast. Decrease the brightness as desired. Next, choose the polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar and make a selection based on your preferences. Ensure the foreground color is white, and press Ctrl plus backspace. Then press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. Double-click on brightness and click on the layer mask thumbnail. Adjust the feather values according to your preferences. Now you'll have the image with the added fake sun rays. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.